Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever given a compliment only to have it fall flat? Well, today we're going to flip that script. We will delve into the art of complimenting women, but we'll focus on those words that truly resonate with her. You will discover the best compliments that go beyond surface level flattery, ones that can make her swoon and show that you see her in a light no one else does. And by the end of our chat, you will have the know-how to deliver compliments that don't just sound good, but feel right and leave her wanting more. Let's dive in. You have a way of making people feel truly seen and heard. This compliment acknowledges her empathetic skills and the positive impact that she has on others, which can be deeply gratifying to hear. Now, in the context of dating, it suggests that you value emotional intelligence and genuine connections, which can be very appealing. Now, this kind of compliment resonates because it's personal and specific, and it implies that you've noticed her interpersonal abilities, something deeper than surface level attributes. Your passion for ... is really inspiring. It's rare to meet someone who pursues their interests with such dedication. Passion is infectious, and recognizing her commitment to her interests can make a woman feel appreciated for her individuality and zest for life. It suggests that you are interested in her as a person, not just as a potential romantic partner, and that you value her for what she loves and the energy she brings to it. This can make a woman feel unique and special, setting you apart from others who might not notice this deeper aspect of her identity. You have the most insightful perspectives. Talking to you always leaves me with something to ponder. Valuing a woman's intellect and the content of her conversation can be incredibly attractive. It shows that you're not just interested in a superficial relationship, but in her mind and how she thinks. This compliment can make her feel respected and can stimulate more in-depth conversations, which are crucial for building a meaningful connection during dating. Your laugh isn't just a sound, it's like a signature that makes any moment better. Now, this is a compliment that celebrates her joy and the effect it has on the world around her. It's personal, it's evocative, and it's slightly poetic. A woman's laugh can be an expression of her inner self, and by admiring it, you are showing that you cherish her happiness. This can create a sense of warmth and emotional intimacy, even early on in the dating phase, potentially making her feel more open and connected to you. There's a light in you that makes even the ordinary seem extraordinary. This compliment is powerful because it speaks to the essence of her being. It's not about her physical appearance, but the way she influences the world around her. It implies that she has an inherent positivity or energy that impacts others, which is an intimate and profound attribute to be noticed. In the context of dating, it tells your crush that her presence is significant and valued by you, which can be incredibly affirming and attractive. Your sense of humor is so refreshingly unique. It's one of the many things I admire about you. Humor connects people, and acknowledging that you find her sense of humor distinctive shows that you really are attentive to her personality. It also indicates compatibility. A shared sense of humor is often a key factor in successful relationships. So by saying this, you are highlighting a specific trait that you appreciate, which can make her feel understood and appreciated for who she is on a personal level. You move through challenges with such grace. It's incredibly impressive and inspiring. Resilience is an admired quality, and complimenting her on it recognizes her strength without focusing on the difficulty of the circumstances. This is especially meaningful in a dating context because it suggests that you've noticed her character and her inner strength. It speaks to a deep respect for her ability to handle life's ups and downs, which can create a sense of emotional safety and admiration. The energy you bring into a room is the best kind of contagious. This compliment is effective because it's about the influence that she has on her environment and the people around her. It suggests that she has a vibrant and positive spirit that affects others in the best way possible. When said to a crush, it's a way of telling her that she's a force of positivity in your life, which can be very flattering and can encourage her to feel more open and expressive around you. It affirms that her mere presence is enjoyable and appreciated, which is a potent sentiment when building a new romantic connection. Your creativity isn't just in what you create, but in how you think and see the world. Creativity is often associated with attractiveness because it implies a unique perspective on life. Now, this compliment goes deeper than surface level acknowledgement of a creative product. It's about her unique vision and mindset. In a dating scenario, this compliment shows that you are drawn to her mind and the novel ways that she approaches life, which can foster a strong emotional connection. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Now, you communicate with such kindness and clarity. Good communication is a cornerstone of relationship compatibility, and by complementing her communication style, you are also hinting at a deeper compatibility between the two of you. It acknowledges her emotional intelligence and her ability to express herself, traits that are crucial in a partner and therefore extremely attractive. Your attention to detail is like a superpower. You notice things others overlook, and that's truly special. Noticing and appreciating someone's attention to detail can be a deeply personal compliment. It suggests that you are attentive to the nuances of who this person really is and that you value her perceptive nature. This can resonate with someone who takes pride in being meticulous and thoughtful. In the context of dating, it indicates that you are observant and discerning, qualities that can reassure her of your genuine interest. Your sense of adventure is infectious. It's like you carry a spark with you that lights up new experiences. Highlighting her adventurous spirit is a great way to indicate that you are attracted to her zest for life and willingness to explore. It's not just about the physical appeal, it's about wanting to be part of the exciting life that she leads. This kind of compliment can make her see you as someone who values her for her dynamic nature, which can be a big plus when you are not yet in a relationship. The way you balance your ambition with a sense of humour and humility is really rare and admirable. Ambition and humility are both attractive qualities, and noting the balance that she maintains between the two suggests that you appreciate her multifaceted personality. This compliment speaks to her character, and women are often drawn to someone who recognises and respects their complexity. It implies a deep level of attraction that transcends the physical. You have this warm, comforting energy that makes stressful times so much more bearable. A compliment like this one is potent because it touches on emotional intimacy. By saying this, you're not only acknowledging her positive impact on you and others, but also showing that her presence is significant and calming to you. It can suggest to her that you value her not just for the good times, but for her ability to make tough times better as well. When you set your mind to something, the commitment you show is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Recognizing her dedication is a way of saying that you admire her for her strength of will and perseverance. It's an especially effective compliment in the context of dating because it implies that her strong commitment in other areas of life might translate to a relationship. It shows you trust in her ability to be a reliable and steadfast partner, which can be a very reassuring and attractive trait. Your independence and self-reliance are qualities that I not only admire, but aspire to mirror. Now, this compliment does double duty. It acknowledges her strength and autonomy, which are qualities that are inherently attractive, while also suggesting that she sets a standard that you respect and wish to emulate. It's effective because it communicates that you see her as a peer and equal, someone whose personal qualities are not just attractive, but also inspirational. You've got this understated elegance about you, whether you are in sweatpants or dressed up, and it's really captivating. Here, the focus is on her effortless grace, which is an attractive trait that goes beyond physical appearance or fashion sense. It implies that her allure is part of her very essence, not just something she puts on. Now, this kind of compliment can resonate deeply because it's not about the clothing or the makeup, it's about her, which makes it much more meaningful and personal. Your intuition is like a sixth sense. It's incredible that you can read situations and people. Praising her intuition is particularly effective because it acknowledges her mental and emotional acuity. It's a compliment that respects her intellect and emotional intelligence, which are key traits that contribute to a person's attractiveness. It shows that you are attentive to her skills in navigating social dynamics, which is an appealing trait in a potential partner. You don't just speak words, you tell stories, paint pictures, and share a part of yourself with every conversation. This compliment appreciates her communication skills, her creativity, and her willingness to be open and vulnerable. It's a profound form of praise that can be highly effective in dating because it goes beyond surface level flattery and acknowledges her depth. So by expressing how her words affect you, it communicates that your attraction to her includes an emotional and intellectual connection, not just a physical one. So you now know the best compliments that can make women swoon, but don't stop there. Are you turning heads? Find out with the signs that girls think you are good looking, or learn the secrets with 99% of men don't realize women are watching them do this. Thank you for watching. Show us some love with a like, comment, and of course, subscribe. See you soon.